Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make faux broth clear. Blanch bones and discard scalded water, then rinse bones to remove remaining impurities. Use cool water to start the pot and bring to a slow simmer without boiling. Add spices in a charred cheesecloth bundle and avoid stirring after the first hour. Maintain low heat and skim any scum, fat, or foam, often for a glassy, clean faux broth finish. Toast and char aromatics like ginger and onion until they show deep color but do not burn them, then rinse briefly. Place spices such as star anise, cloves, and cinnamon in a cheesecloth bundle to keep bits out of the broth. Add the bundle to the pot after the initial gentle simmer begins, and simmer without agitation so flavors infuse without clouding. Taste and adjust seasoning near the end for balanced depth. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, perfect during long simmer sessions and for carrying to the market, compact, leak-resistant, and easy to clean. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you like staying ready in the kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Use quick cooling techniques like adding a few ice cubes in a bowl over the surface to tighten fats, then skim them cleanly. Strain the hot broth through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean pot to remove tiny particulates. If time permits, chill the broth and solidify the fat to remove it fully, then reheat gently to serve. These steps yield a bright, translucent faux broth with pure flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.